Ciao guys, hope you're doing fine. So this is my day off and I went skiing. Okay everybody, positions, roll sound, roll camera, action. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna talk about... Okay, so that ended very fast. You know, I was using this tree to kind of hold my phone, and I had some gloves stuck there, and it's, you know, there's some really deep snow here, so if the phone fell in, I might have some problem finding it. So as I was about to start saying, whenever I go skiing, I'm bringing my GoPro with me. It's basically really the only time I'm using them. I don't find them as useful for other stuff. I used to use them for things like, you know, like a crash cam, like you stick it underneath your car or someplace where you can't really go with the other camera. This is also why I'm still using the 7th version. I didn't upgrade because I don't really use them that much. The problem with these GoPros is that whenever you go out, you're very, if you're by yourself at least, you're very limited to the shots that you can actually take. You know, it kind of sucks. You know, you come home with 1 hour of footage and 90% of it's the same thing. That's just ridiculous. So I came up with a way to shoot myself with various different angles, and I just want to show you how I use them in case, you know, somebody finds it useful. So what I'm using is, I'm using this clamp. It's from GoPro. I don't know what it's called really, but I'll link it down below. And on top of it, I'm also using, it's all over my jacket, I'm also using this gooseneck. Mine's broken already, so I just, you know, gaff typed it a little bit. Let me try to position my phone back up, and I'll show you. I'll show you how I assemble these things. I'm still on my skis. Otherwise, I would be neck deep in snow, which would be awesome, but I've got other things to do right now. Hopefully this works. Okay, so when it comes to shooting yourself on your skis and stuff, you've got your classics, the way I call them, you know, like you've got your helmet mounts, you know, your top, your front, and you can hang some stuff up here, like even the gooseneck, and just kind of, you know, have it swing down, camera watching your face and stuff, or you can just, you know, shoot up front. But like I said, this is pretty limiting, and it gets boring really fast. So I'm using mostly this clamp, and I'm using the gooseneck. Let me just put this stuff together like this, and we put the GoPro on top. Also, by the way, GoPro, if you could make these clamps a little more durable, would be nice. Okay, so the cool thing is that, you know, when you're skiing, at least, I'm not saying snowboarding, you've got your sticks with you, your skiing sticks. So what I'm using is I'm using this clamp in two places. I clamp it just under the grip here, and if you position it like this, when you're skiing, you're moving the camera and you're moving with the camera, and you can basically shoot yourself in the face, you can shoot mid-body, or you can shoot downwards towards the skis, and this way you can get like different angles, and camera can move a little bit around you, so it, you know, you get more interesting shots, and it's a bit more interesting, like all in all. Now the second thing is that you just use the same thing and just place it on the bottom. Yeah, you have to tighten it up. I didn't. Now in my experience, I haven't lost it yet, but they do tend to rotate freely around because there's not enough traction. Just position your clamp on the bottom of the stick, and when you're skiing down, you can, you know, get yourself some low angle shots. You gotta be careful though not to stick it in front of you. This is maybe a bit more appropriate for more advanced skiers, so you can just ski a bit off balance, but that way, at least when if you're doing it like this, you can get some very cool shots, you know, like low angle shots as you're dropping by. Again, the problem is it starts to rotate, but you know, you can get lucky. The third thing is just place it a little bit higher, and when you're skiing down, the camera kind of follows you, so you get like a back shot of yourself. And this way you can use this clamp and this gooseneck, and you can basically get very different shots with just this one mount instead of just having it on top of your helmet and just, you know, going like this. I hope you found this useful. I find it kind of fun to use, although, you know, with GoPros, there's one trick to this whole thing, you know, like always use the widest possible angle, because GoPros, you can't really know what you're shooting when you're skiing. So you do want the most width to be able to cut stuff and, you know, make it a little bit more cinematic in post. Okay, this is it for me, guys. Thank you for watching. This was like an ad hoc video. The whole thing was shot on an iPhone. I hope the audio is fine. I'm using AirPods, just, you know, it might be a little bit better. If not, sorry. If you found this video useful or if you liked it, make sure to click that thumbs up, subscribe to be notified about the future videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.